ହୋଟେଲଟା ନା ସପିଂ ମଲ୍ଟା ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି। ରାତି ପାଇଁ 39,80,295 ଦେଖାଉନଥିବ ମୋତେ ଡଲାରରେ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ ଏଇଟା ଇଜି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରେ କେତେଟା ହବ ତାକୁ କନଭର୍ଟ କରିକି କିଣିବାକୁ। ଏବେ ରାତି ହେଇଛି, କାଲି ଦିନ ବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପୁରା ଭିଉଟା ଦେଖେଇଦେବି, କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ଭିଉଟା। ଏବେ ଚେକ୍ ଇନ୍ ସରିଲା, ଚେକ୍ ଇନ୍ କଲା ପରେ ଚାଲି ରୁମ୍କୁ। ଭିଉଟା ଦେଖେଇ ଦେଉଛି ହୋଟେଲଟାର। ହୋଟେଲଟା
Sorry, let me explain for you,
Yeah.
A bit. Mostly our hotel facilities will be located on this building.
फोटो
For all hotel facilities,
Okay.
like the gym is right here, and then the rooftop is on the 5th floor.
Okay.
You need to choose on the front elevator,
Uh-huh.
and place number 5. Rooftop we have like pool, bar, and restaurant.
Okay. This 24 hour?
No, it's only open till 10 p.m.
10. Okay.
For the pool, it is until 9.
Okay. Okay.
We have second floor. Kita dulu betul. Silakan sampai naik. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Second pool right here also. Opening time is same. Both of the pool.
Ah.
It start at 7 p.m. till 9 p.m.
Okay. So
Just want to let you know also, our hotel is surrounding by like construction. On the day only, it will be like a noise. But at the moment, I've been give you like on the quieter side because you stay like.
no, daytime I'll not be.
Oh, then not here.
Yeah.
Daytime they start at 8 p.m. until 6.
Okay. ହୋଟେଲଟା ନା ସପିଂ ମଲ୍ଟା ଭଳିଆ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି। ବାଲିରେ ଦେଖିଲି ଏଇ ଏରିଆ ଭିତରେ ଏଇ ଭଲ ହୋଟେଲ, ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ସବୁଠୁ ଭଲ ହୋଟେଲ ଥିଲା, ଆଭେଲେବଲ୍ ଥିଲା। So this floor I don't have any other like upper floor.
I would like to check, sir, but at the moment room's ready. Just like
Oh.
this.
Oh no, I wanted to have a like upper floor.
I would like to check in the system for
Okay,
you, sir.
okay.
Yes. You need to go inside waiting here.
Yeah, I will wait inside.
Here, yeah.
Yeah.
For you, and then I will let you know as soon as possible.
Yeah, sure.
Do you be have maybe going out first?
Yeah, I'm going out. Maybe
Right, so we will.
if
find, like-
I will not open the bag, it's possible if you find something better, then you can just simply shift that.
Okay. All right.
Okay?
It means we just go back, right?
No, I'll just freshen up and what you want. Like I'll just change my dress. I'll go out. After maybe half an hour, you can check. This is available. You can simply
move the bag,
yeah,
right?
move the bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, right. You just put it inside the bag here.
Yeah.
Without pull out anything,
No, no.
we'll move the bag for you.
Okay, thank
Right?
you.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
এটা রুমটা ଆଉ এটা ହେଲା ୱାସରୁମ୍ ସାୱାର ରୁମ୍ଟା ଏଇଟା ଯଦି କିଛି ରୋଷେଇ ଫୋଷେଇ କିଛି କରିବା ଅଛି ଗରମ ଗରମ କରିବା ଅଛି ଚିମିନି ଟାଇପ୍ର ବି ଦେଇଛନ୍ ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ସେଫ୍ ଲକର୍ଟା ଏଇଟା as usual hair dryer, slip on, oh microwave, the luggage रखिया प्लेस टा टीवी बेड सेटा मो लगेज आउ रहिला एटा स्पेस देखिए बालकनी भी देखिए छै कोन मो अवश्य तो कहि चेंज करिया पई अपर फ्लोर दा पई हां एटा बालकनी